Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to another video. I want to welcome back all my subscribers and all my new viewers. This is the channel where we talk about my top stocks. And we also talk about dividend stocks and business ventures that generate passive income. Well, today we're going to talk about a few dividend stocks, and we'll also talk about what's going on in the news in the stock market. Remember, today is Sunday, and tomorrow, Monday, Labor Day, the stock market will be closed. So that's just a heads up on that. Okay, well, on Friday, I got paid a couple of dividends here in my Robinhood account. I've gone into my messages, and I noticed that I got TPG paid me a dividend payment. Ford Motor Company paid me a dividend. Also, UPS, United States Postal, paid me a dividend, and also Conoco Phillips Oil also did pay me a dividend as well, and Truist. So several stocks, ticker symbol TFC or Truist Bank, did pay me a dividend. Okay, so that's the great part about stock market. You can get dividends, and basically, for most part, I usually just reinvest my dividend. I'll buy a fraction of a share with my dividend. Okay. TPG, one of the dividends that did pay me, says here they're headquartered in Fort Worth, Texas. And as you can see, they have a dividend of 5.36. Year to date, pretty much they trade between $35 and $23. If we see here, the 52-week low is $23 and the 52-week high is $35. So not a whole lot to write home about, but they do pay a dividend of 5.36% on an annual basis. Okay, so that's TPG. You can check them out. Just one of the many stocks that I own that pay dividends. Okay, the next stock that I own that I really like is Ford. Ford stock, I own a little over 150 shares of Ford, and they do pay a dividend as well. Let's see here. Okay, Ford, as you can see, year over the year, they're down 30%. But Ford does pay a dividend of 3.96%. Again, there's plenty of opportunity and time to buy Ford. They just launched the Lightning F-150. That is the Lightning electric truck. They just launched that. And also they have a deal with many fleet sales as well. It says strongest August makes Ford best-selling brand. Again, #2 vehicles. Okay, so this is their fleet vehicles. And also, just in general, like I said, they have launched the F-150, and they are building battery plants right now. Okay, Ford U.S. sales rose 20% in August on its strongest EV demand. Okay, so again, Ford Motor Company pays a dividend, has a 52-week high of $25, has a 52-week low of $10.61. And again, I think Ford is just getting started. So again, Ford has been around since 1903, founded by Henry Ford, a great emblematic company of America, has always been for the middle class. One of the very few companies that started paying average workers $5 an hour way back in the early 1900s, when many workers were paid well below that minimum wage that Ford was paying. Okay, so Ford Motor Company trading right now $15 per share. Also has gained quite a bit in the last month or two. If we look at Ford, let's see. We'll look at the last 6 months. So you could have bought Ford back in June at $11, and looks like it is holding August and July's gains. Okay, so that's cool. Ford back in July was trading at $11.62, and now has gained enough momentum to get back into the $15 per share realm. Okay, so that's Ford Motor Company, another stock that I got paid dividends this past week. The next stock I got paid this week was United Parcel Service. Again, United Parcel has been around for quite a while too. This company was founded back in 1907. UPS, many of us get packaged from UPS or FedEx, but United Parcel Service trades for around $196, and you can buy it easily on Robinhood for fractional shares. And they also pay a dividend of 3.10%. So a little less than what Ford does, but again, it's a great company to own. Probably still trading year to date, pretty much flat, up only or down only 8% on the year. Usually trades anywhere from $200 on down as low as $165 per share. Again, United Parcel Service, a great company to own, headquartered out of Atlanta, Georgia. And again, this is a great company to be in. The dividend is not going anywhere. The company's not going anywhere. Like I said, it's been around since 1907. Another great dividend stock to own in your portfolio for the long term. Sure, you might get a little bit of capital appreciation as far as over time, the stock will go up some. But the main thing is they pay a consistent dividend here of 3.10%. Okay, so that is United Parcel Service. UPS reveals struggles working in without AC in the high heat. Okay, so this is UPS workers struggling here in these hot summers. Motley Fool talking about my top dividend stocks for the second half of 2022. Okay, so a number of articles on UPS, but a great company all around, and a little almost over 100-year-old company paying 3% annually dividend. Okay, another company, Occidental Petroleum, a Warren Buffett's favorite. This is a oil petroleum company, a small dividend, 0.76% a year. But again, Occidental Petroleum has had a awesome 2022. If we look at the stock, it is up over 121% on the year. And again, this is a stock that Warren Buffett has been buying into. And this has dipped some. It dropped down in June to $57 and dropped down in August to $57 and back up to $65 per share. But again, this is a dividend paying stock. Not too big of a dividend. I think it's pretty close to what Apple pays. Apple pays, I think 0.80% dividend. Looks like Oxy Petroleum is paying a little bit under that of 0.76%. Okay, so you get paid not only for the capital appreciation, the stock is up over 21% on the year. Also, if we look at the last month, the stock is up 16%. And if you bought it at 60 or 59 and now you're up over 16%, it seems to be a great value. But again, always take a look at this chart. As you can see, the numbers here show you that its 52-week high is $77 and its 52-week low is $24. So if the thing starts to fall, it can fall as low as $30 per share. Okay, so this is Occidental Petroleum, a great company that has been 40% or 50% acquired by Warren Buffett. Okay, the next stock of this year has been ConocoPhillips, ticker symbol COP. Dividend, again, pretty good of 4% this year. ConocoPhillips, oil and gas. Basically, this is something that we all use to fill up our car every day, oil and gasoline. But if we look at the year to date since January, the stock is up over 49% since trading at the opening of the year around $76 and up till now